everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to bring a spring look for you. I'm actually testing out a new foundation. Well, actually it's not a new foundation, I've already tried this before, but I wanted to try it out in a darker, deeper color. I thought that the first shade that I bought was a little bit too light for me, and believe it or not, I've seen lots of videos on this being a dupe for the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Now I don't have that, but I did get the Primark version, and the first shade that I got was the Caramel. And then I tried that on, and I'll link the video somewhere in the bottom at the top here, a card, so you can watch that video. I felt like that color was a little bit too light, and it's probably more of a winter shade for me. Now that the sun's coming out and I am gonna tan a little bit, whoop, whoop, I decided to try the Cinnamon color, which is just a little bit darker. It doesn't look that dark in the bottle, and there is a discrepancy in both bottles. The Caramel one is a 32 and the Cinnamon is 38 ml. They're still both £5, and they dry down matte, and now I'm an oily girl, so for me I like my matte foundation. I tried out a new technique in the beginning, and basically it's just looks flawless. I will show you panned in versions of the foundation once I finished it, and I think that I will definitely continue to do that routine. I don't wear foundation all the time, but when I do, I think I will definitely do this method, because I feel like my foundation has come out flawlessly. I mean, in person, I'm looking at myself in the mirror and it looks absolutely beautiful, and the shade Cinnamon I feel like is a better match for me. And yeah, I love it. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this spring look, which is really easy, daytime easy, then please do keep on watching. Thank you very much. Don't forget to give it a like, and oh, to all my subbies, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you, and I do love you, and we are growing very nicely as a family, and I do appreciate you watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. I'm very grateful for that, and I'm grateful that you actually want to watch my videos. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. So this is the final look. I hope that you did enjoy the tutorial and how I put this look together. It's pretty simple to do and should be very easy. The best thing I would definitely invest money on is grey eyeshadows, because it does lend itself in blending out very well. And I hope that watching me do this makes it a lot easier for you. You could actually go for one shadow. So if anyone would like to see a one shadow look where you just make it look even simpler than what I've done, I'm happy to do that. Just leave me a comment down below and yeah, I'll be happy to do that for you. So thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye. Wherever you are in the world, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, and enjoy your day. Thank you. Bye. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Just keep on watching. You're a returning subscriber. Thank you very much. Don't forget to click the like button if you do like this video, and I'll see you